I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve parity error of Phoenix Megaminx Cube. Uh, in some cases you will find top layer parity wherein all edges are solved except one edge. So there is a simple solution. I'll just show you. So the edge which is not solved, uh, bring it down like this. This layer, this portion, you need to bring it like this. Then this portion you need to bring it up, and this you need to rotate 180 degree. I'll show you again how to do it. So this is the edge where it is not solved. So bring it down like this. Again you need to bring this down, this portion like this. Then this portion up like this. So 1 2 3, and this portion, adjoining portion, 180 degree like this. So you will see all edges. Now from here we need to perform an algorithm, that is F U R U R I U I F I. Again F R U R I U I F I. Now we have to undo everything what we have done. So we'll start with this. So first we need to fix this. Now this pieces came out, so we need to fix this, and gradually and slowly we have to fix all our remaining pieces. So you can see this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece are unsolved. Now we have to solve, and it will be, the entire cube will be solved. So we'll start with this. So what we can do is, RIDI RD. This is simple corner solving algorithm which we normally use it in 3x3, that is RIDI. So now you can see this is fixed. Now we have to fix this portion. So we need to check from which side it will get fixed. So let's from this side, yes. So let's start from this. So now you can see this is fixed. Now we have to fix this. Okay, this is fixed. Now we have to fix this. So again, R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So now let's see whether it is fixed or not. No, it is not yet fixed. So again, R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So now you can see it is fixed. Now we have to fix this. So this piece is here. So it is simple algorithm of fixing the edge. So now we have to see whether it will fix from here. Yes, it will fix from there. So from here to here, so it is U prime L prime U prime L and U. Now R U R prime U prime. So now you can see this piece is also fixed. Now we have to fix this piece. So it will fix from here. So this piece will come here. First we need to fix corner. So let's fix corner first. So now you can see we have fixed the corner. Now we have to fix the edge. So this edge will come here. So U prime R, sorry, U R U R prime U prime L prime, and now this is also fixed. Now we have to fix this. So again we'll try to fix from here. So let me try if we can fix this piece over here. Yes, this will fix from here. So U L prime U prime L prime U R U R U prime. So now this is also fixed. Now we have to fix this. So again This portion is not from here, so maybe we can try with this. Okay, this is fixed. Now this piece, before this we'll fix this corner. So again R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime and U prime. So now you can see this piece is fixed. Now we have to fix this piece which is here. So this will fix from here. So this piece will come here. So U prime L prime U L R U R prime U prime. So now you can see this piece is also fixed. Now we have to fix this two pieces. So first we'll fix the corner. Before this we need to fix these two also. So this piece we need to fix first. So RIDIRD RD RIDI RD RIDI RD. So now we can see it is fixed. Now we have to fix this. First we'll fix corner. So R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So from this now we have to check whether this it will fit from here. Yes, it will fit from here. So U R U R prime U prime L prime U prime L. So this is also fixed. Now we have to fix this. So it will not fix from here, so we need to try from here. So it will fix from here. Okay, so left algorithm. So U prime L prime, again U prime L U R U R prime U prime. So now we have two pieces which are left. So we'll start with this piece. So F R U R prime U prime and F prime. Okay, so now we have to fix these two. So F R U R prime U prime and F prime. Now keep these two uh, edges which are solved from is on left, and this one edge which is solved is on the right. And perform this F R U R prime U prime and F prime. So now we can see all our edges are solved. Now we have to just fix the corner by doing RIDI RD. So it's like RIDI RD RIDI RD RIDI RD RIDI RD RIDI RD RIDI RD. So now our cube is solved. Thank you. If you have any query, you can let me know. Thank you.